Binary search is a fast searching algorithm used to find an element in a sorted list or array. Instead of checking elements one by one, it divides the list into halves and keeps reducing the search space until the element is found or confirmed that it is not present. We can imagine a dictionary where we don't read every word from page 1. We open the middle page and check the word. That's exactly how binary search works. First, we define a class, then create a method named binary search. In this, int array is a sorted array and int key is element to search. Low stores the starting index, initially points to the first element, and high stores the last index. Here, the index starts from 0. While loop continues as long as search space exists. If low is greater than high, element is not present. Int mid is used to find the middle index. Binary search always checks the middle element. This checks if the middle element is the target. If yes, then search is complete. Return mid returns the index where element is found. If else statement is used to find if middle value is smaller than target. Target must be in the right half. Then moves low to right side. Left half is ignored. Else the target must be in the left half. High is equal to mid minus 1 is used to move high to left side. Here, right half is ignored. Then we will return the loop and run when loop ends. Then return minus 1 is used when element is not found. The static void main is the main method where the program execution will happen. In this, first we create a sorted array. Binary search requires a sorted array. That's why we create a sorted array. Here we have taken a target element to search. Int result will call binary search method and stores returned index in result. This checks if element was found. Then print if it is found, or else it will print not found. and its time complexity is log n, which is fast. That's why it's used in interview and real systems. Binary search works by repeatedly checking the middle element of a sorted array and reducing the search space by half. The target key index is shown in the output. Thank you for watching.